box opening in the Scan Club. So I've got a new i700 Medit scanner here. And when you get your boxes, this is what you can expect. A little bit of a way bill that we don't need. The nice small boxes these, they're quite well wrapped. So in here we'll first get a nice shiny box here. And then there's the accessories in the next box. Let's get rid of that. I really like the way they look after their customers, and everything sits nicely packaged like this.
It's like an Apple product, Patrick, isn't it?
It really feels like an Apple product. If Apple did scanners, I think it would be the i700. Chris might not agree with that because
Just like the Samsung.
Just like a Samsung, yeah.
And of course other scanners are available.
So this is the actual scanner body. So we'll take it out of the packaging. It's nice, small, neat, really nice and lightweight balanced scanner. This you'll find in here that a few more boxes with instructions. Plenty of bedtime reading there if you're interested, but it's a really good user manual. All the different languages as well. In here we have also the tips and cartridges. So, comes with a data stick there. We have all your profiles and information. And then in the next box we have the intraoral tips. And with this scanner you get 4 of these. Just open one of them to show you. This is what they look like. It's a nice lightweight open-ended tip. Just clicks on to the end of the scanner like so. And you can see it's got a mirror in the back here, so just make sure that's nice and tidy when you have it out of the autoclave. And that's how simple it is really. That's the i700.